Welcome to the channel, guys. I thought I'll do a quick video on Fortescue Metals FMG. I did a video on BHP not last week. I didn't do any videos last week, week before. So they both had big pullbacks recently with this um, what do you call this iron ore price dropping. So if you haven't watched the BHP one, go to my channel and have a look. So today I'm doing the FMG. So I just want to show you this sort of big picture. Hope you can see it. So this stock had a big run here. That's around 2007. Started 2007. Finished around 2008 July June that time. Then had a massive dump like what we see now, then went sideways for a while, so from here more or less sideways, let's say up to here. So you can see 2008 to 2018, so 10 years it was moving more or less sideways, didn't do much until this move up here, that is 2018, then went up till 2021 January, then have a massive dump again. So I measured this roughly the gain. So this gain was 1,357. Then the drop was 91%. Then if we go here, the current what do you call the gains are 637%, and drop is pullback is 47%. So compared to the gain, this is here 1,300, pullback was 90. This may be a reasonable gain, and the pullback, I believe. Let's see. When we get closer here, just to try to find the support and resistance areas, I have my support box here, support slash resistance here. That's around $15 mark. Then I have another one around $8. That's sort of this support area. And there's a small support area here at $13. So far, I'll delete this one so you can clearly see. So far, this stock sort of has failed to get the support from this box, fallen down, then came all the way down to here, but sort of got support around here, then try to go up, then this support level has acted as a resistance and pushed it back down. So it may, I have a feeling, come down to this level, and there's a less probability it may come all the way to $8 as well, because in between I can't see any price levels, but it may find some support around, maybe around here, just around $10 psychological level maybe. And volume has increased recently, so people has yeah, I think people still selling it because RSI is going down, so people is still selling this stock. So okay, what I expect this stock to do is it may come down around here, around this area, at this stage. I think it will come to this area. It may find support somewhere here, or it may come all the way to this price support box here. If hopefully it come down and find support here. If it if it doesn't find support there, it will be going further down. Then next support area is around here, roughly. Let's say here around $7. Let's say $7. Then next support is, you can see around here, that is around $3. So those are the levels I would be watching. But I personally think this may come again next week or week after. It may reverse and go back up again. But since the RSI is going down, still selling pressure is happening. So I have a feeling it may come and retest this support. And if it fails, it will find support around here, or at least in this box. That's my expectation. Then go back up. So sorry, another thing I have to show you, this RSI. See, I just put a line here. So RSI is around 24 now. So I put a line here. So previous when it we'll have a look when it came to that level previously. So it has come to here, that level around here, before that big run. Then around here, this area, this sort of, let's say, what's the gain after that? Let's take roughly here. Yeah, it's a decent gain, 300%. So that's another time this RSI came to about 20, closer to 20. This is another time. Let's have a look. What's the roughly gain from here? 84%. So yeah, it's giving good gains when it comes to RSI 20 or closer. Okay, let's see here. Another time. So roughly take around here to probably the highest here. Yeah, that's it here. So 330. Yeah. So you can see the RSI when it reached to this level around 20. After that, it has reversed and gone up and provided good gain. So here 330, here 85. Then where else we had that? Yeah, this is that big move happen. I don't think that will happen again this soon, unless there's iron ore prices going over the roof again. So just keep an eye when you see that RSI, when it came closer to 20 or less, or around that mark, it has reversed previously. So that's why I'm thinking it may reverse around this price level, like support, and go back up, or it may come down to this area. So just keep an eye, and if history repeats, once RSI is below 20, and if you buy it, it has reversed and given at least closer to, what's the smallest gain we had a look? Yeah, 85%, at least 85% it has provided. So yeah, just keep an eye. It's still, I believe it may come down. We can see it's reversing at this stage, so I can't say you go and buy it, but keep an eye, very close look, just to see when you get the signs of reversal. but always put a stop loss because this is still like a falling knife. If you know A2 milk, AGL, similar stories, everyone think it will reverse, but it's still going down. So that's why if you buy, just keep and stop loss. I would say maybe a tight stop loss in case it's still heading down, because it what these stocks do is it can go slightly up for a while and reverse again and like this. So that's why you have to be careful. If you go and have a look A2 or AGL, it has done this. So you don't want to be caught up in this so reversal like this, thinking it is yep going down, like reversing, then eventually coming down and losing your money. So that's why you have to have a very tight stop loss or whatever the stop loss you want to put, and keep an eye, because until we get the confirmation, it go, let's say in this case, until we get the confirmation, like let's say this low, then when it goes down up, then the next low should be higher than this low, otherwise its trend is down. So I believe you understand what I'm saying. Just keep an eye. So when RSI is 20 or low, previously it has reversed and given good gains. So just keep an eye for the reversal, then go from there with a good stop loss. I believe that will be a this will be a good stock once it is reversed. Yeah, if you like my videos, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I know a lot of people subscribe. Uh, so thanks for subscribing, and yeah, I'll do another video next week.